Brad Williams XL Prime, the unique function. It produces unique values. That simple. It shouldn't take more than a second for you to grasp this. We have a list of names. Any duplicates? Well, we throw them out and we're going to show only unique. Now, there's a couple ways you can look at this. You have unique and some say distinct. And what I mean by that is if you look at unique, we have the array. All we did was pick up the array. Then we have by column. You can compare and extract by row, etc. And then exactly once. True values occur once and all unique values is the default. If we look at this thing and we do this, we've got this San Francisco. If we go back up here and we put 0, which is the default, you're going to see the difference. Note, what I just put 1, it's going to show only the only unique values. Let's take a look here. See, we have Los Angeles. We have duplicate. See all the Chicago duplicates, San Francisco. We have 1 unique here. So there's nothing unique. San Francisco, Chicago. Keep messing with this thing until we get 2. That's a pretty tight list, isn't it? You can see by now, I'm sure, that this is a pretty limited. We have what, 4? We only have 4 choices and what, 12 rows? Bound to be multiple duplicates. And so you can see, again, you can visually see the only unique city in here would be New York. Now that's not unique. We're talking about exactly 1. Everything else is duplicate. We're asking just show, let's say if there was just New York and Chicago and everything else was duplicate, then New York and Chicago should show up. Bound to happen eventually. See, there you go. Took a second or two. Look here. You have Chicago and then go down. You see any other Chicagos? No. You see any other New Yorks after this? No. You can play around with this stuff. Columns. If there's more than this data, you can go in here and say 2. And this won't do anything. 2, put 2 and 1, put 1, 9. What I recommend you do is review the narrative. I just briefly touched on the options here. There's some excellent examples. Read it if you need it. Otherwise, unique is going to save you just a bazillion hours because you don't have to deal with cumbersome and challenging sorting and filtering and all that other stuff. Unique's going to tackle that problem for you. Brad Williams, XL Prime.